Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today let us see a simple and important function called SUMIF, which is very much useful in totaling multiple lines based on some condition. Here I have some date, product code, quantity, price and total. Now I am going to total the sum of this based on the date. So on this particular date, what is the total of sales I have made? So for that the formula is equal to SUMIF open parenthesis range. So now my condition is date. So my range should be the date column, comma, and what is my criteria? It should fill up this date. So I am selecting the date, comma, and what is the sum I need? I need the total. So select the total full column and close parenthesis, enter. So on this date the total sales is 15423. Okay, let us also see how to derive at the total based on some condition in product code. So for that the formula is equal to SUMIF. So again, what is my range where I am going to give some condition? Now I am going to filter based on product code, comma, and what is going to be my criteria? The product code, comma, and I need the total, close parenthesis, enter. So the product code 49, the total value of sales is 3990. So product code 49, the total sales is 3990. Okay, so now we have got the sum of the total based on one condition. Now I am going to merge both of these conditions into one with a SUMIFS formula. So how do we do that? For that the formula is equal to SUMIFS. What is my sum range? So it asks for sum range, which is nothing but the total. So I am selecting the whole total, comma, what is my criteria range? First my criteria is based on date. So select the whole date, comma, and what is my criteria? It is the date. Then now comma, it is asking for criteria to range. So what is my criteria to range? It is nothing but product code, comma, and what is my criteria? It is 49. So select 49, close parenthesis, enter. So the value is 1428. Okay, see the date 25th, product range 49, the total is 1428. Okay, you can also give some condition based on product code is greater than 49 or the price is greater than 50. So what will I do for that? The formula is equal to SUMIFS. What is my sum range? The total, comma, what is my criteria? I will select quantity which is greater than 25 or 30. So criteria, comma, my range is greater than 30. Please make sure you put this condition within quotes, and if you have any other condition to be fulfilled, again select the cell which you want the condition to be applied, comma, my range I am telling 35. Okay, and so which is 0. Let us see why it is coming as 0. My product condition is 35 and quantity there is nothing greater than 30, that's why. Okay, let me put another instead of 35 product, let me take up 29 4830. Okay, so for product 29 which is greater than 30, you have 2 which is 4830. Okay, hope this was very much helpful and useful to you. Thank you so much.